Red's talking to himself, no idea what he's shouting, effing and blinding about, probably about that car not indicating. I don't blame him. Let's go! Right, well, hello everybody. I hope you are safe. I hope you are well. You join myself and Uncle Red on our way to Brewpoint in Bedford for the monthly meet that they have up there. So far it's all started out a bit chaotic, hasn't it? All started off a bit chaotic on this ride. People absolutely being nutcases. Red not being happy with just about anybody. But hey ho, it's all part and part of it. So, what do I want to talk about today? Well, we're still out and about, as you can see, because the sun is out. The blue sky is still there. The odd cloud. But it is starting ever so slightly, isn't it? Ever so slightly. Just getting a little bit more nippy in the air. Not too much, not enough to complain about. Not enough to complain about at all. But the temperatures have dropped from those heat waves that we had. And it is just a subtle reminder. I knew Red was going to go for that, because I wasn't going to, but he has. But yes, it is just a subtle reminder that winter is coming. Can we make it? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. So winter is coming. How prepared for it are you? I've got a lot of new subscribers recently. People who wasn't subscribed to me this time last year, and so I always feel that it's nice to know what everyone plans to do over the winter. Are you a winter warrior? Do you continue to ride throughout the winter? Red just saying it's a bit smelly. It is a bit smelly here. They do have a bit of a drainage problem towards the back end of Woodland Lake here. Don't know why. I'm sure the foul company, the sewage company, could get out here and have a look. So are you one of these winter warriors, or are you what I like to refer to as sensible? Not that I'm sensible, I actually am a winter warrior. I will continue to ride this winter. I will continue to bring videos to you people, whether you like it or not. But are you a sensible person instead, and do you put your bikes away for the winter? And if so, how do you do that? Do you do it properly? Do you put them on a battery charger, an optimizer or something like that? Do you drain all the oil and replace it with that special stuff that I don't know the name of because I've never done it? How serious are you? Hopefully very. If you do want to preserve your motorcycle, that sun's very low. Absolutely hate riding in a low sun because just can't see any of it. But again, winter is coming. And that is one of the I say negatives, but also pros, because low sun photos can be extremely pretty, can't they? Very pretty. So yes, please do let me know in the comments what sort of winter rider you are, whether you actually are one, or if you're going to put the bike away and wrap it all up nice and warm. The thing that really upsets me the most about the colder months isn't the fact that there are less riders on the road. It's more the fact that the bike meets such as tonight they'll sort of stop, and that really upsets me, simply because the numbers just won't turn up and it's not worth it for them. But I don't know, maybe that's not the case. Again, let me know in the comments if you go to many meetups during the winter, but I really don't, because there's just barely any on. I think the only thing I go to regularly in the winter is probably still the Super Sausage, because that's a Sunday thing, and it's a Sunday thing all year. The only difference is sort of after October is you can actually get breakfast in the morning, whereas any sort of time April towards that, you know, October, it's impossible to get breakfast, not unless you're there at like 8 or whenever they open. I don't even know what time they open. I'm never there that early. So I obviously don't want to have too much of a moan, simply because being in the UK, whilst yes it does get cold, and you know, well, before we didn't used to have great summers, but I think we do now, we should also be quite happy that we don't really have the worst winters in the world. It's moments during winter where I'm going to feel a bit more sorry for our brothers and sisters in the United States, because in some states over there they have some absolutely crazy winters. They have really deep snow, they have crazy minus temperatures and ice everywhere and stuff like that, and riding just isn't possible. And so for those motovloggers who are affected obviously by that style of weather, like, I don't know what your plans are, but regardless, I'm sure I'll keep up with the content, those who I do subscribe to and whatnot. I suppose maybe we should try and look at it from a more positive point of view. For example, you know, during our summer, you know, people like Hatchui and other Australian motovloggers, you know, they've had to watch us enjoy the sun. And yeah, sure, we're about to go into our winter, but hey, they're going to go into their summer, and we can cheer ourselves up by watching some of their videos and seeing that they're going to have a great time. You know, it's like their turn now, so that's a positive note. Probably doesn't help those of us here in the UK that are dreading winter. And I wouldn't say I'm dreading it, I just don't like it. I don't like the winter. I'm born in July, so I'm a summer baby, but hey, it'll be round again, and it's not over yet, you know, not just yet. We've still got a few more weeks, so let's not moan too much, eh? I don't know who the guy on the Kawasaki is, but he waved to me in a very campy manner. So fair play to him. Right, guys, boys and girls, we're here at Brewpoint. Let me end on one more final positive note. I am very, very, very close to 600 subscribers, and I actually can't believe it. That just seems to have grown so rapidly. So please, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Help me get to 600. If you enjoyed the video, why not give it a little like? Hopefully it wasn't too long. Why not share the video? You know, not many people ever ask for that. But yeah, why not consider sharing it? Head over to Instagram at TheRhythmicBiker. If you don't follow me already, why not consider that? But yeah, let's get to 600. I'd love to get to 600 subscribers. If I ever get to 1,000, I'll tell you what, if I ever get to 1,000 subscribers, I am going, yeah, okay, I am going to get the Rhythmic Biker tattooed on me. You heard it here first. And I will promise, I will keep to it. So let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. But guys, as always, I've been the Rhythmic Biker. That's bit. Oh my god! Mint. What are you showing me? That victory? Oh, victory! No, I prefer that. I prefer the fact that he's got a Wolf Tails t-shirt. No, that's not fair. No, the Kia Sportage 8. There's too much happening. I'm trying to conclude a video. Right, everybody. I've been the Rhythmic Biker. This right here. Come here. This has been Uncle Red.
I feel abused.
You always feel abused. And until next time. Cheers, guys.
Anything for you on a Friday night.
Ooh, hey, it's Wednesday.